In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Steam avatar frames stop animating on your PC. This problem usually happens because certain system animation settings are turned off, which can prevent animated elements, including Steam avatar frames, from working properly. To start, press the Windows key and the I key at the same time to open your settings. Once the settings window opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Accessibility. After that, find and select Visual Effects under the Vision section. Here, you'll see an option called Animation Effects. Make sure this setting is turned on. If it's currently disabled, go ahead and toggle it on. This allows Windows to display animations across apps, including Steam. After enabling animation effects, close the settings window and open Steam again. Check your profile or friends list to see if your avatar frames are now animating correctly. If the issue still isn't fixed, there's an alternative solution you can try. Go ahead and uninstall Steam from your computer, then download the latest version from the official website and reinstall it. This can help fix any corrupted files or bugs that might be causing the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Steam avatar frames animating again without any issues.